Hello, I'm Dr. Amina and I'm a product analyst at Digital RX. At Digital RX, we are building AI powered solutions to help doctors save time and deliver better care to patients. Today, I will walk you through our Smarter Consultations feature designed to make documentation faster and consultations more efficient. Let's take a look. Let me log into our doctor portal. And from here, let me click on the consultations and see the patient appointments. So I can see that these are the appointments. Let me check this appointment. So this patient, Jane Doe, they have already entered their symptoms on the patient portal and our AI has summarized the condition. So as you can see that it is providing us insights. Now this will save a lot of time for doctors. Let me go through this insights. So there's a tingling sensation in hands and legs. The AI has already given us a possible condition, that is diabetes mellitus. So as a doctor with experience, I can narrow it down with precision. So let me start the consultation. The patient has walked in our clinic. Now the consultation has started. Let me ask few more questions to the patient so that I can confirm that this is a diabetes. I can also enter their vitals. Anything else that may be important, I can enter that. Now let me record the symptoms of this patient. So they are informing about a tingling sensation in their hands and legs. They've also reported of frequently urinating. So let us add that as well. Frequent urination. And they have also informed us about the increased hunger and thirst. So I'll be recording that. Let me check if the patient has any allergies, and they have reported me that they are allergic to pollen and peanuts. I'll also record them some lab tests. So I have recommended few lab tests here. Allergies recorded, symptoms recorded. Now let's go to the patient profile. So here we have a detailed patient history that I can ask the patient. So let's quickly record the health history. They are up to date with all the vaccinations. So let me just record that. And there are no current medications that they are taking. So I will also keep this as blank. And you can see here, this is a SOAP notes that is automatically built by our AI based on the patient report. So all we need to do is just send this SOAP note to the patient. Everything has been recorded here. Now let me go back to the consultation and prescribe some medications to this patient. Let me give metformin. Let me add the dosage to 30 days and we can set up a follow-up after a month. So 1 tablet after meal, let's say in the evening, and then save. So metformin is added. Similarly, I'll be adding few more. As you can see that I have added all the medicines here. Now let's just add a follow-up date. Now once the consultation has been completed, the patient can also get the prescription in their portal and app. They will also receive an email. So let's just complete this. And now the prescription is ready on the doctor portal as well as for the patients. Let's click on the prescription. And you can see how beautifully the prescription is generated. It's color coded, everything is very clear, symptoms are written, allergies are written, the lab tests are there on the right hand side, and each medicine has clear instructions when to take, such as after meal, at what time, and for how many days. Everything is clearly written on the prescriptions. And these patients can also scan this QR code and the AI will read out this prescription in their local language.